The biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all parts of the Earth in which life exists, including land, water, and the atmosphere. Ecology is a scientific study of interaction among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. Humans live within the biosphere and depend on an ecological process to provide such essentials as food and drinkable water that can be bought and sold or traded. A community is an assemblage of different populations that live together in a defined area. Population is a group of individuals that belong to the same species and live in the same area. A group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offspring. The biological influence on organisms are called bioactive factors. A bioactive factor is any living part of the environment with which an organism might interact, including animals, plants, mushrooms, and bacteria. Of an ecosystem are called bioactive factor. An abiotic factor is any non-living part of the environment, such as sunlight, heat, precipitation, humidity, wind or water currents, soil type, and so on. Modern ecologists use three methods in their work, like observation, experimentation, and modeling. Each of these approaches relies on scientific methodology to guide inquiry. Observation is the first step in asking ecological questions. Experimentation can be used to test hypotheses. Modeling helps to understand the natural phenomena. Autotroph use solar or chemical energy to produce food by assembling inorganic compounds into complex organic molecules. Primary producers are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms. Factors like energy and use it to power chemical reactions that convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen, and energy-rich carbohydrates such as sugar and starches. Chemosynthesis carry out processes in which chemical energy is used to produce carbohydrates. Autotrophs, also known as consumers, must acquire energy from other organisms by ingesting them in one way or another. Organisms that rely on the organisms for energy and nutrients are called consumers. There are many types of consumers, such as carnivore, herbivore, omnivore, scavenger, detritivore, and decomposer. Carnivore kill and eat other animals. Herbivore obtain energy and nutrients by eating plants, leaves, roots, seeds, or fruits. Omnivore, they are animals whose diet naturally include a variety of different foods that usually include both, like plants or animals. Scavengers, they are animals that consume the carcasses of other animals that have been killed by predators or have died of other causes. And detritivore, they feed on detritus particles, often chewing, creating them into even smaller pieces. And decomposer feed by chemical breaking down organic matter. Ecosystem in one wide stream, from primary producers to various consumers. What is a food chain? A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. As some food chains, primary producers are a mixture of floating algae called phytoplankton and attached algae. Web is a feeding interaction in which many animals eat more than one kind of food. Each step in the food chain or food web is called trophic level. Each shows the relative amount of energy or matter contained within each trophic level in a given food chain or food web. Pyramids of energy show the relative amount of energy available at each trophic level or a food chain or web. On average, about 10% of the energy available within one trophic level is transferred to the next trophic level.